So just before I start the actual presentation, I think it's important to let you know the background that enables me to provide such a workshop or to facilitate such a workshop. And some of you might know that I worked at the NRF, the National Research Foundation, for 10 years. That's about 10 years ago now. But during that 10-year period, I got to read many applications, and from all different disciplines, not only my own discipline, which is chemistry. And essentially, the program that I'm going to share with you over the next couple of hours is the collection of learning, the summary of the learning that I did in those 10 years about seeing what a good grant proposal is. So, hopefully that gives you some confidence that this is of value and that you can learn. But as we go along, folks, it's not just about my knowledge, it's about our collective knowledge. So feel free to share your thoughts, ideas, experiences, successes, failures as well. Part of funding, part of putting in grant applications is dealing with rejection. Remember, it's always the proposal that was rejected. It was never you that was rejected. And if you think I'm looking very casual, I don't know if you know, we've got our new Wits t-shirts, and on the back it's got 100-year. So, it's this week. The birthday celebrations or centenary celebrations were kicked off last night in the new music hall. So that's why I'm looking so casual. Right. I think it's gone 9 o'clock well now, so I'm going to start our presentation and our workshop. All right, so folks, writing winning proposals. Now, I chose that title very carefully, and the thoughts that came to mind in this mind map are summarized in this mind map when I use this word winning. So, I regard it as a competition, and a competition has rules, and in our case, in funding competitions, demand for the money exceeds supply. There are more applications than money to cover all the grants. In fact, you get this horrible letter from the NRF from time to time that says your application was deemed fundable, but we didn't have any money to fund it, which is really terrible. It's in a way, it's better to get a message from them to say your application was shocking, very bad, so we can't fund it, because then you can always improve it. But how do you get it? How do you respond? It was deemed good, but I can't fund it. So I guess the one way to respond to that is good is not good enough. You've got to be excellent. So this notion of competition. But winning also gives me the thought of training, as in athletics. And in our case, that is about planning, putting a lot of effort into it, really working hard, and just putting a lot of effort, making it your best work that you can ever get. Winning also brings to my mind these two groups, winners and losers. Winners, those that get the grant, and losers. Now, nobody likes to be known as a loser. And as I said, if you have an application that is rejected, it's the application that's rejected. It's never you. So always keep that in your mind. Never lose hope. And maybe we should change losers to something like triers. Because if you're not in the game, you're never going to win it. If you don't try, you're never going to win. Sure, you won't ever lose, but you're never, ever going to win. So by applying and not getting funding is not a disaster. In fact, it's something to be proud of. In fact, that I have tried. And so let me cross that out for us. Oh, it's not working. Sorry, but you know what I mean. Triers and winners. Of course, you want to be a winner more often than a trier, but, well, that will come hopefully after this workshop. Other elements of winning is about excellence. So remember, whenever you get an external grant, in fact, any grant, you put it on your CV, your academic CV. It's vital for you to know to share with the world your achievements and excellence in this process, because this is, all about, a competition, and so it's about excellence, and it needs to be shared. All right, this quote is quite useful. The art of grantsmanship will not turn mediocre science into fundable grant proposal, but poor grantsmanship will and often does turn very good science into unfundable grant proposal. Good writing will not save bad ideas, but bad writing will kill good ones. So the art of grantsmanship, that's what we're going to be talking about today. How to package your proposal successfully to enhance your chances of success. I like cartoons, and so here this man's walking past this building over here, and its sign says Institute for the Study of Innovative Ways to Get Government Grants. And you're here in that institute now, learning how to get government grants and other grants. All right, before I pause, one last picture I want to talk about. So here's a man running away from a bear, and this bear is very eager to eat this man. I want you to insert yourself into the picture, and you're running away from the bear, and my question is, how fast do you need to run? How fast do you need to run? So do you need to run faster than the bear, or do you need to run faster than the man? And of course the answer is you need to run faster than the man so that the bear can eat the man. What's this got to do with grant funding proposals? I'm just emphasizing the competitive nature of the process. Competitive nature, that you need to be one step better than somebody else in order to get that funding. Remember what I said about the NRF? Grant application is very good, but we don't have enough money. That means other people have got the money before you, and it is a competitive process. So it's unfortunate in the collegiate world that we live in, where we collaborate and work together and support each other, that grant funding is totally the opposite. It is competitive, and either you get it or you don't get it. And so but that's the reality, and I think you need to be aware of that. And you've got to do, when you put in a grant application, it's not just slapdash, quickly get it in. You've got to put that extra mile, that extra pace, that extra yard ahead of the competition. And I'm afraid that is reality. All right, so I would like to do a quick round of introductions, name, discipline, and why you signed up. Now, there's quite a lot of people, so let's keep it really short. Just, let's stick to first names. Discipline, I work in chemistry. Let's just keep it simple like that. And hopefully you're signed up not because you want to, improve your grant writing, maybe a little bit more insight into that. Maybe you're working on a particular grant or whatever, but let's keep it brief. But I do want to know who's all online. So I'm going to stop sharing, and I'm going to call out names according to the list. And if you can just switch on your camera, I can understand if it's a particularly bad hair day, but it's always nice to know who I'm talking to. So like I've got my camera on, just switch on your camera, and then after your turn, just mute and switch off as per normal process. So according to my list, Brandon.
Hi there. Can you guys hear me?
Yep.
Awesome. Also, my name is Brandon. I'm from computer science. And I guess this is part of my probation as well as just wanting to, better understand how to apply for these types of things.
Excellent. Welcome, Brandon. Yeah, very important skill to learn. And we're going to learn that it's different from the other things that you've learned as an early career academic. Welcome, Brandon.
Thank you.
Bruno.
Yeah, hi. I'm sorry. I don't know why, but my camera is not available. I don't know. It worked perfectly yesterday, and today it's not working. So you can hear my voice. You can hear my French accent.
Yep.
So I'm a new colleague. I just arrived to WITS, and I was in Paris before. So I come from a different system, and it was interesting, to hear what you had to say about that. I need to learn a lot. So thanks.
Good. Welcome, Bruno. Welcome to WITS. And yeah, it is important to understand the new funding system. So welcome. I hope that we answer all your questions.
Thank you.
Ishmael?
Hello. Good morning, Robin.
Hi.
Yeah. Ismail Fasanya from the School of Economics. And this is actually my second time of attending this workshop. Try to facilitate myself and to expand my knowledge on winning proposal writing, because I believe the first time I had the lecture is not enough for me to understand the rudiments of writing winning proposals. Thank you.
Good. Welcome, Ishmael. Jane?
Hi everyone, I'm Jane from the School of Accountancy, and I'm here to learn how to write one because I want to send one.
Okay. Lovely. Welcome, Jane. Thank you. All right. Kudzaish. Forgive me for mispronouncing.
Morning, Robin. It's fine. And colleagues, my name is Kudzaish from the WITS Center for Diversity Studies. I'm an associate researcher there, and I guess part of the reason why I'm attending the workshop is to just get to know how to write a winning proposal, because that's part of the work that I'm doing for the center.
Good. Yeah, lovely. Welcome. Bruno, the camera's working well now, eh?
Good news. I can't see that. It's very weird. So sorry, I'm turning it off. Thanks.
No problem. No problem.
So you've seen my face.
Good. Next one is Kirtania.
Hi, hello. Can you hear me? Okay.
Yep.
My name is Katania Patha, or Kat. I'm from the Department of Family Medicine. So my department's actually at WITS Club today, so we're taking this one outside. What I want to gain out of this is we're actually putting together a new project in the Department of Family Medicine, a research project that we want to get funded. So I'm here for that.
Good, good, good. Welcome, and I hope it doesn't rain, hey?
Oh, I hope so too.
Lovely. Thanks for joining us. Next is Louis.
Hi everyone. My name is Louis. I'm from education, the School of Education, and I'm trying to write an NRF proposal and also one for some Norwegian funding. So,
Okay.
Why I'm here.
All right, good, good. So that's important, Louis. Often we kind of get stuck on the NRF. Nothing wrong with the NRF, good funder, nothing wrong with them. But there is a big wide world out there with lots of funding opportunities. So I'm really glad that you engaging with Norwegian and other funders. Excellent, well done. You tell us how it goes, eh?
Will do. Thanks, Rob.
Right, next one, Maleboho.
Morning, Robin. Morning, colleagues. I'm Malab Vimi. I'm from the Department of Archaeology, and same. It's a part of my probation, so I signed up so I learn how to write good proposals.
Yes, good, good. Yeah, very important. Probation is quite a stressful time.
It is.
But yeah, we're here to support you. And
Thank you.
This is what it's all about, eh?
Thank
so
you.
welcome. Michael?
Yeah, Good morning, everyone. I am Michael. I'm from the School of Chemical and Metallurgical Engineering. This will be my second time of listening to this talk. The first time I was a student, and I think that was 2016 or 2017. It helped me attract a few grants. I still want more, and I have not been successful in a few ones. I thought listening to this would help me learn, maybe remind me of the tricks that I've forgotten, and also help me with the grant applications I have for the year. Thank you.
Okay, thanks. Welcome, Michael. I hope it's improved over the years, but probably not. Anyway, welcome, and I hope you benefit. Marta Perlo.
Hello, everyone. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Tell
My
us.
name is My name is Marta Pelo. I'm from Human Science Research Council. I'm an intern in the Department of Physiotherapy. So this is my first time attending this workshop. The reason why I attended this workshop is that next year I'm planning to do my master's. So I think it's good that I attend this workshop. It's going to help me a lot.
Good, good. Welcome. Thanks for joining us. Next on the list is Mcleese.
Hello, everyone. My name is Mladis Trinity Dewa. I'm a senior lecturer in the School of Mechanical, Industrial and Aeronautical Engineering. It's my first time on this workshop. I'm also on probation, so I'm very keen to learn today. I've written proposals for grants before in the past, I think about 4. 2 were successful, 2 were unsuccessful. I've never been trained on how to write one, so I'm not sure why I was successful and why I was unsuccessful. So at least this will give me some light in terms of how to be successful all the time.
Good, good, good. Now, let me tell you, a 50% success rate is excellent. So well done on that. You've obviously got the basics down, but but share your experiences as we go along. Always interested to hear about that. Yeah, welcome and thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Right, next one is Oludoyin Mola.
Morning. I'm from the School of Clinical Medicine. I'm a researcher, and I'm here because part of what I need to do in my role is to attract grants to the school. So I need to know how to go about that.
Wow, big responsibility that, eh?
Yeah.